In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert live effects into editable vector paths in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever applied a warp, built a blend, used brush strokes, or stacked multiple live effects in the appearance panel and then wished you could tweak the exact outlines, this is the workflow you need. Start by selecting the object that contains the effects you want to finalize, click it directly on the artboard, or make sure it's highlighted in the layers or appearance panel so you know you're targeting the right item. Live effects are dynamic, which is why they're so flexible, but that also means they're not pure paths yet. Selection is important here because the next command only applies to what's selected. Now head to the top menu, choose Object and click Expand Appearance. This is the command made specifically to bake in live effects. Unlike the general Expand command, Expand Appearance looks at the effect stack and resolves each visual transformation into actual vector shapes. Think of it as freezing your look in place so you can edit the geometry directly. After you run the command, you'll see the object change subtly. What used to be a brush stroke may become a filled shape, a warp becomes a reshaped outline, and complex blends are converted into a series of editable objects. If you decide the result isn't what you wanted, remember you can undo immediately. Behind the scenes, Illustrator has now converted those appearances into real anchor points and Bezier curves. You might notice groups or compound paths in the Layers panel. That's normal because effects often generate multiple pieces. This is a good moment to zoom in and take a closer look at what you now have. With the object expanded, switch to the Direct Selection tool, the white arrow, or press A on your keyboard. This tool is your precision editor. Click an anchor point to select it, drag to reposition it, or pull the direction handles to refine the curve. Click a path segment to adjust its arc, or marquee select multiple points to move or nudge entire sections. If you see many anchor points from a brush or blend, take your time. Small, deliberate moves will keep curves smooth. Smart guides can help you align and snap points cleanly as you refine the shape. That's the entire process. Select the object with live effects, expand its appearance to convert it, and then fine-tune the resulting paths with the Direct Selection tool for precise